Here's a secret nobody tells you: talent is overrated. Yep, you heard me right. You can be less talented than the next person, but if you are consistent, you'll still come out the winner. Because while talent may open the door, it's consistency that keeps you in the room. Hi, I'm Lipika Sud. I'm an interior designer, a motivational speaker, an artist, and a poet, and I love sharing beautiful things with you. Let me share a quick story from my own life. There was a time I was working on a major interior design project. Honestly, I wasn't the most talented in terms of technical skills compared to some of the others on the team. But what I did have was consistency. I showed up every single day, chipped away at the designs, spoke to the artisans, fixed the tiniest details. Over time, my steady effort built a project that won not just the client's heart, but also industry recognition. That experience taught me talent may make you shine for a moment, but consistency makes you glow for a lifetime. Think about it. A talented singer who doesn't practice daily? Forgotten. An athlete with natural skills but no training? Out of the race. An entrepreneur with great ideas but no consistent action? Just another dreamer. Consistency is the quiet superpower. It doesn't look flashy, but it beats talent that's wasted. Let me share 3 tips to build consistency. Tip number 1: start small, stay steady. Yes, don't try to climb the mountain in one day. If your goal is fitness, start with 10 minutes a day. Small steps, done daily, build massive momentum. Tip number 2: track your progress. Keep a journal, use an app, or even pick a calendar. When you see your streak building, it motivates you to keep going. Break the chain, and you will want to start again. Tip number 3: find accountability. Tell a friend, a mentor, or even your social media followers about your goal. When someone else is watching, you are less likely to quit halfway. So, remember this: talent might give you a head start, but consistency wins the marathon. Show up every day, even on days you don't feel like it, because in the long run, consistent effort beats occasional brilliance. Now, let me ask you, what's one small thing you can commit to doing consistently for the next 30 days? Share it with me in the comments. I'd love to cheer you on. Till next time, I believe in you. I love you. Keep smiling.